Oh hi, welcome back. Let's create this coding style text reveal in After Effects where each character of this text will move one character to another in alphabetical order. Let's make one. Click on New Composition, 1080p, 60 fps, 15 seconds to make a new composition. Click on OK. Afterwards, you click on the text tool, type anything, for example, subscribe to Tongue Tips. Make sure that the alignment is set to center text. Under paragraph, this one, center text, and pick a pixelated looking font, for example, Pixelify Sans. Afterwards, you right click on the text layer and then head over to transform. Click on center anchor point. Right click on the text layer again, head over to transform. Click on center in view, just like so. Let's animate this text so that each character will move one character to another character in alphabetical order. Go under the text layer. Click on animate. Afterwards, you click on character offset. Make a keyframe. Click on the stopwatch. Drag the slider so that it looks like this. Make sure that the alignment is set to adjust kerning so that it's perfectly distanced, so that the letters are perfectly distanced away from each other. And then afterwards, let's say if you want the sentence to be revealed at 6 seconds. Drag the time indicator to 6 seconds and then drag the slider for character offset so that it looks like this. And then afterwards, you go under the range selector. Let's say if you want the text to be revealed as each character of the text is revealed one by one from 3 seconds, for example, drag the time indicator to 3 seconds. Turn on the stopwatch for start, and then drag the time indicator to 6 seconds. Afterwards, just like so, and then all you have to do now is to increase the percentage of the starting value so that it's revealed. You can smoothen the text reveal by right clicking on the keyframe and then head over to keyframe assistant, click on easy ease. Afterwards, right click on the keyframe again, click on keyframe velocity, change the influence to 75%, and then if we play it, it would look like this. Ooh yeah, it's amazing how coding can work for text reveal as well. So that's how you can make this coding style text reveal in After Effects. Thank you for watching. Do drop a like if you enjoyed the video and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. But for me, it's good day. Ciao.